Hello guys, welcome to SS Speech in Kannada channel. In this video we learn RSS easy 10 lines essay. Okay, RSS 10 lines essay. Right? If you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's start the video. First point. RSS stands for Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. Once again, RSS stands for Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. Okay, right. Second point. It was founded in 1925 by Dr. Keshav Baliram Hegdewar. Once again, it was founded in 1925 by Dr. Keshav Baliram Hegdewar. Third point. Its headquarters is in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Once again, its headquarters is in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Fourth point. The main aim of RSS is to serve the nation and society. Once again, the main aim of RSS is to serve the nation and society. Fifth point. RSS members are called Swayamsevaks. Once again, RSS members are called Swayamsevaks. Sixth point. They wear a white shirt and brown shorts as their uniform. Once again, they wear a white shirt and brown shorts as their uniform. Seventh point. RSS daily gatherings called shakas. RSS conducts daily gatherings called shakas. Eighth point. It teaches discipline, unity, and patriotism. Once again, it teaches discipline, unity, and patriotism. Ninth point. Many social service activities are organized by RSS. Once again, many social service activities are organized by RSS. Okay, 10th point. RSS believes in the motto Nation First, Self Last. Once again, RSS believes in the motto Nation First, Self Last. Okay, right. If you like the information in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know which topic you want to the next video, and I will try to make it. Okay, right. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.